Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's making a great night, folks. Don't make assumptions. Disconcern the truth. The problem with making assumptions is that we believe they are the truth. We make an assumption, we misunderstand, we take it personally, then we react by sending emotional poison with our word. And it does what? It creates a whole big drama for nothing. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials down 344. NASDAQ off 211. S&P's down 42. Monster moves, folks. 4 days in a row, actually. Pretty intense. Gold contract down $11.30, trading at $13.43 an ounce. Silver down 17 cents, $16.50 an ounce. Copper up 3 pennies at $2.99 a pound. Light sweet crude $65.10. Notes and bonds, those are the story out there once again today. 10-year note up 14 ticks, 120.29. 30-year bond up almost a full point, 30 ticks, 145.21. Yield, the 10-year yield right now just dipped its way under 2.8% again. We're at 2.783%. King dollar up 381 ticks, 88.985. If we go over to King dollar, what you're going to see is King dollar failed once again to hold price. We did 24,800 contracts. It couldn't hold the high of yesterday, which is 89.105. Pretty amazing, actually, because guess what? You should be able to bounce a little after coming down 5 days in a row. King dollar, folks, making its way down to this swing low from February 16th of 87,830. Big numbers out here. All across the board, big numbers. Let's take a look at some of the higher volume stocks out here. They did some destruction out here. You had Twitter was down $3.85. Facebook was off $7.87. You had Microsoft down $4.30. Apple was down $4.40. NVIDIA was the big number. NVIDIA actually started the move lower inside the composite as well as the NDX 100. And this is the second time flat out that NVIDIA, last November, that started that move down and that took the market with it. $18.96. NVIDIA's trading at $225. You have JP Morgan down $2. General Motors is off $1. If we go over to the, let's go to JP Morgan for a second, because what you have out here, and this is where I'm going to stay with the bond market for a bit. JP Morgan, folks, you're off the highs. The high in JP Morgan is 118.75. You're at 1808. Your high volume swing low, which we haven't tested yet, is 103. The top of that is 114. Bottom line, you're going to go after it. You very well may have an ABC structure down on JP Morgan also. And if you do, 118.75 is your A. 106 is your B. So you're talking $12, which would get you into the $99 area. In $99 areas where JP Morgan broke out from November of 2017. And if that's what we get, you're going to talk, that's not only just a big number, that's a big number in the context that the Fed will not be going up on rates 3 times this year. And I suspect what this is all about, actually, is that we're in the beginning phases of a major correction. That's what's going on. And if that's what we have, what you're going to see the Fed basically freak out and say, okay, well, yeah, I know we're supposed to go up on rates, but we're not going to go up on rates because this market, number one, is highly volatile. Number two, it's in a corrective phase at this point. And when you go look at the market, you bring it back to 2009, okay, almost what, almost 9 years. Bottom line, folks, is that you could say you had like one consolidation. You didn't have any correction. That was great on the way up. It's not great on the way down because percentage-wise, it doesn't have to go down that much to be a normal correction in a market that over the course of years will go higher. But guess what? The problem child has to do with if you just do a 0.382 correction of the whole move, it's going to be pretty nasty, because that would bring the S&P down to 2023. And just see, in a 0.382 correction is a normal correction in a market that actually wants to go higher. So, bottom line, problems in paradise out here. We go take a look at some of the Dow stocks out here. You had Boeing down $7.85. CAT was off $2.20. Oxy was GM was down $1.12. Big Blue was down $1.46. 3M was off $4.37. Inside the NDX 100, strength versus the weakness inside the NDX. Tesla was the number. Tesla looks to me like it's going to be in trouble. Tesla was down 8.2%, or $25. NVIDIA was down 7.7, or $18.96. If we go into Tesla for a second and take a look at it, what you have with Tesla, Tesla broke out its lows, monster volume on the move. We pull this back, and what you're going to see is that this consolidation, it broke the consolidation that it's been in since May of 2017 and broke it with volume. That's setting up, you're going to go to the next trading range. The deeper that you get into $286, which we're at $279 now, the bigger the probability is that 141 is coming at you. 141 in Tesla is a high volume low. So that would be pretty intense, because Tesla topped out in June of 2017 at 386. And Tesla, bottom line, has to come to the market for lots more cash, because Tesla's burning $1 billion a month. Big numbers. No two ways about that. After the at 4:30, we're going to have the oil numbers out today. Crude oil right now trading at $64.88. What crude did out here today, it failed at its swing point. I got up to the swing point, got up to the price point today of $66.41. Got over the high of January 25th. Couldn't handle the price, $66.02. So it's really going to be intriguing watching this. First off, this API number come out at 4:30 this afternoon, as well as the EIA number tomorrow morning at 10:30. Because when you do look at the XLE, bottom line, XLE, as well as ExxonMobil, as well as Chevron, they've been going lower for a long period of time. Exxon is underneath the February 9th level. $73.90 is the level. Exxon is trading $73.70. Says quite a bit. Stay right there, folks. We're coming back with our man, Mr. Andy Heck. We are going to be talking markets. We're going to be talking commodities. Dow finished down 344. NASDAQ off 211. S&P's down 44. We're coming right back.